Hey Python enthusiast! Welcome to the challenge segment where I put your coding skills to the test. Today I have got two exciting tasks lined up for you. Task 1. Printing text. Let's kick things off with a classic way. Your challenge is to write a simple Python program that prints out the string "My hovercraft is full of eels." Now, here is where you take charge. Pause the video, open your favorite code editor, and write the Python code to achieve this. Remember, it's all about using the print function to display that particular string. Welcome back. I hope you had fun with our first challenge. Let's move on to the next one. Task 2. Printing calculation results. Your next mission, should you choose to accept it, is to write a Python program that prints the answer to the calculation 6 times 7. It's time to flex those Python muscles. Pause the video once more, fire up your code editor, and write the Python code that computes and prints the solution to 6 times 7. Great job on tackling those challenges. Now let's dive into the solutions and see how your code matches up. First of all, as the challenge said, we need to show a string on the screen. So, for displaying a string, we can use the print function. We can say print, and for a string we could use single or double quotation. So in the print function we can add double quotation and then the statement that we want to print. In this case, my hovercraft is full of eels. It's the solution for the first challenge. If we run it, you can see the exact string that the challenge asks us here. Now let's jump into the second challenge. We want to answer the calculation of 6 times 7. To do this, we can again use the print function, and inside it, we can do the calculation without any quotation, and it will show the result on the screen when we run it. For example, here we use print 6 times 7, and if we run it, it will show 42 as the result. And there you have it, two simple tasks, yet crucial in understanding the fundamentals of Python. Don't forget, practice is key in mastering any programming language. Join me in the next challenge, where I will delve deeper into Python's versatile features. Until then, keep coding and exploring the world of Python. Happy coding!